Manhattan Coin Division 3. Division 3, 10-4. 1725 this time, 297. 1-1 to Manhattan. Battalion 1-1, good. 1-1, we're going to go with all hands. 2 line stretch, 1 in operation, minor extension. 10-4, Battalion 1-1. All hands operating, Manhattan Box 1281, the address 244 West 102 between Broadway and West End Avenue, fire in the basement of a 5-story multiple dwelling. All hands operating, Manhattan Box 1281, the address 244 West 102 between Broadway and West End Avenue, fire in the basement. Smoke right now.
Alright guys, we're 84 at this 1075, the Upper West Side of Manhattan.
If you're operating on the
Battalion 11 has a fire in the basement, in the boiler room of a 5-story multiple dwelling. 2 line stretch, 1 line in operation.
1729 to 5297.
940 to Battalion 1-1.
Division 3, got Division 3, 84, box 1281. 10-4, Division 3, 84, 173, 297.
Command 276. Hey Bob, you got one on the fire? How are we looking? Yeah, the trucks are opening up.
Excuse me.
Set that up. 7-4 to 7-4 chauffeur. Can you please get water in the second line?
10-4. I'll get you the water.
Water's coming, fellas.
2-5 to command. We're opening up the floorboards now. Slide extension. Hit it with the can. 10-4, 2-5. Do you have any an apartment number?
Apartment B as in boy.
Yeah, go ahead, boss.
Yeah, this is popping the floorboards. If anything that's going to travel up, it's probably along that wall, but there's nothing going on.
Alright guys, we got light smoke condition, first floor. 5-story multiple dwelling. Exposure 1's a street, exposure 2's an alley, exposure 3's unknown, exposure 4 is similar attached.
Alpha.
2 line stretch, second line be in charge.
Floors above, floors 1 through 5 are complete negative. We have 2 lines charged. We have slide extension to the first floor. Trucks will continue to open up.
Deputy Chief Coyne, 84.
Oh, wait a minute. 1-1, got primary searches from 1 to 5 are complete negative. Got 2 lines stretched right now. Trucks are opening up.
7-4, open 7-4, 8 up to 1.
Thank you. 1-1.
Actually, water, watch out.
Battalion 1-3.
T2 to command.
Chief, it looks like confined to 1 or 2 bays here in the basement. We have it all opened up. The engine's flushing it down now.
All right, 10-4.
This one is in the cellar, in the barroom.
Great.
All visible fires were knocked down.
37 code 3 with any.
Slide extension to the first floor, just rear. Remain down.
1733.
Alright, so we got a slight extension to the first floor. 2 lines stretch, 2 lines in operation.
Black Boy engine 1-4. 733.
Box 1281, address 244 West 102th Street. We used all hands. Fires in the basement, boiler room, cellar, of a non-fireproof multiple dwelling of a 5-story 25 by 75, exposure 1 is the street, 2 is the yard, 3 is the yard, 4 similar attached, 2 line stretch, 1 in operation. All windows of fire has been knocked down. We had a slight extension to the first floor, trucks opening up. Primary searches from 2 to 5th floor is complete and negative. We're going to need an extra truck. We're going with doubtful, okay?
And 4 Division 3, notify the incident commander, duration of the incident 2 to 3 minutes.
Division 3, couple.
Calling Division 3.
Ladder 4-3 will be your extra truck. What's your call?
2735 to time selection.
Ladder 4-3, guys. Ladder 4-3. So one way you guys can do it, you grab all the engines first. You see it's like it's in order. Just look at all the black going down. Okay. Back up, put them here. So you put the trucks, put them here. And that way you can just start sliding them over. We got 76, 47, 74. I got 11 now.
Okay, 1 break. 1025 Growth Bridge. Exposure checked out. Everything's off, like I said, kind of. I'm sure they're busy with checking out when they get in. That's 1736, connected. Engine 44.
51049, you can make that at 18 or 1031.
Double engine 44. 1738, connected. Engine 59.
Okay, so the aide here, Division 3's aide, he has the tablet. It shows which units are on which floor. The command post is pretty much just to have it on a bigger board.
Secondaries on the cellar and the first floor. The other companies can come out. They're all done. 10-4. We'll leave them secondaries in a minute. Let me just 25. Let me check with 25 and 22 and see if they're done yet. Battalion 1-2 to ladder 2-2. Do you guys need to be relieved right now?
Negative, Chief. We're just wrapping things up.
Okay. Once fire sec just hit command, just hold off on the spot. We'll have to do the secondaries in a minute, all right? Yeah, boy, Steve, whenever you're good to go.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Secondary search in progress. Probably will hold case. Central Division 3, you probably will hold time 174 4 hours, near duration 32 minutes. Division 3. 10-4.
Alright, probably will hold. Quick knockdown. Alright guys, just gonna get the units before I take up. Got a special call truck, 43 truck, Division 3 messengers, 74 engine, 2-line stretch growth, 74. Towel out of 22, 76 engine behind them, and truck. Alright guys, before I close up this video, they got additional truck coming in. They did send engine 76 with the thawing unit. They were gonna throw out this hydrant they couldn't get at first. Got 37 engine in a spare, Rescue 1, Rock 1, 12th Battalion, and 40 truck.
3, 10-8, 2-6 response area. 1802 to 73. We're in the time. Switching back to Brooklyn. Central. Division 3 to Manhattan. Division 3, Cap. Division 3, stand by. Central. Division 3, Cap. Division 3, box 1281. You can turn around 45 trucks. Also be advised, secondary search is on the cellar to the top floor of the fleet and negative.